Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones Pixel Buds Pro 2. Firstly, if you have a Pixel, you don't want to install an application, just go to settings and then click on the settings icon near to your headphones and you have all features. Also, you have ANC and I really like it. You have a conversation detection, so it will be switching between ANC mode and transparency mode when you start to talking. So it's really cool, I like it so much. Then you have a mono audio, but I guess it's classic. What I really like is that it have spatial audio and also head tracking to make the sound more natural. And that's it. Oh no, I'm so sorry, I forget about last feature. You can enable dual connection for your headphones, and you can connect two devices to just one headphones. What really cool. And also case sound. I didn't saw this feature on another headphones, but Pixel made it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.